the cold ocean, there's no boat trip. Dark water stole my clothing. A shape stirs beneath me and pulse pounds along bloodstreams. The first bite marks the beginning of the clawless rustle, the clawless animal. Well, speak to me, please, man-eater. You can see all of me naked with fear. This is a test. I left land for to grip flesh and pull my soul in the vast clinch of the struggle I can't give in to. The weight of the clawless rustle, the clawless animal. Animal, animal, animal. My enemy, please stay close to me. No breath left, cold breath thief. Last gasp of air, first lung, the fat father's awake son. Last taste of salt in my mouth. Skin breaks with no sound and I'm torn limb from limb. There is bone, there is gristle and spit in the clawless rustle, the clawless animal. Animal, 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 animal.